today I'm going to talk to you about another natural remedy for helping you with your diabetes. Whether it's type 1 or type 2, there will be very useful remedies I'm going to give you on a regular basis where you'll have enormous health benefits, because the video could be one of the biggest blessings for you. So today I'm going to talk to you about a very unusual color of a particular vegetable. Now, in Australia, we know it as an eggplant, but I was quite amazed when I came here where they don't call it eggplant here. They call it aubergine. Now, aubergine, I speak French fluently. Aubergine comes from French, and aubergine actually comes from the word auberge, A-U-B-R-G-E, which actually means a hotel or a place of refreshment. So when you're traveling long distance and you had no food on you, you'd go to an auberge and it would feed you aubergine. And that's where the name came from. Now, most aubergines, eggplants, are colored purple. But I like this one. This is another type of aubergine. You can see it's quite striated. It's got purple, it's got light cream, and it's also very tasty, this one. And you see this one's very fresh, right? I know I usually grow those, but when they're not available in my garden, I actually buy them from an Asian shop. And this is a very, very good vegetable for helping the blood sugar from your pancreas. So I'll just show you before I go on to this. I will show you a diagram of the digestive system. This is the liver here on the right side of the body, and this is the pancreas underneath the stomach. So there's the pancreas like a tongue behind the stomach, which is on the left side of the body. So you know where your pancreas is. Now, with this one, how you cook that for maximum health benefits is you wash it thoroughly so that you get any pesticides or herbicides off it. You wash it thoroughly. You get a sharp knife and you cut that stem off here, and you cut it in the middle, and you strip it down to, you cut it down to small chunks like that, and you steam it. All right, now, very important, don't microwave it, don't boil it, because they will both destroy your nutrition. Use a steamer, boil the water, and when the water is boiling, you have the chunks of this on top, on the bottom of the steamer, on top, and then you steam it for a few minutes till it's soft. Now, if you want an added flavor, you have 3 ripe tomatoes, washed as well, and you put that on the top of the chunks of that, the aubergine. And when it's actually cooked, you'll see it got soft. You take that, you can either mash it up and you put it in a blender, right? It's absolutely delicious with tomato. But what I do to make it even more flavorful and beneficial, I use the aubergine, the tomatoes, blend it, then I put a teaspoon of sel de Guerin, tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, tablespoon of avocado oil, mix it all up, and you can put it on your brown rice, and it's absolutely delicious. As an entree or part of the main course, excellent. Now, if you found this video useful, please share the link with others. Subscribe to our channel, and on the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all, so that you'll receive notification each time we publish a new video, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Now, remember to download our ebook, and the link is in the comments below. This is our ebook that I wrote during the lockdown. So you'll find it very, very beneficial. Ask for it.